Okay, you're going to see my shortcuts in the bottom left, yeah, or each keyboard key I press. So in case you don't follow, just look on the bottom left and you'll see what I'm doing. So here I get the rectangle tool. I draw a rectangle of 3000 by 6000. Then I get the offset tool. I offset 200. Then I group the walls and I pull up the walls by 3000. Here I'm drawing a door which is 3000 by 2700. I punch in the hole. I draw that door. I offset the frame of the door 50 millimeters. I select everything. I group it and I give this door a color. I want to look for black. Yeah, now it's black. I double click, enter the group and select the glass surface and give it the glass color. Then I go to the rectangle tool and I try to draw the veranda. I pull that edge. I notice some mistakes, so I repeat. I draw the veranda. And I pull it down by, push it out by 150 millimeters. Now we have the veranda. I group it. I draw a circle for my column. I pull up the column by 2700. I group that column, make it a component. And then I drag copies. I drag a copy, type my distance log to the green axis, and type times 2 to get the other copy. Then I draw the beam, as you can see, where the columns are going to be supported. I group it, select that edge, make a copy of that edge, and pull, using the push-pull tool, I pull this face, as you can see, until I reach the other column at the edge. Yeah, I use the point of the corner of the building as a reference point, and then I have my beam drawn. Now at this point, I'm thinking about how I'm going to draw the stairs. I'm thinking I pull this face while hitting Ctrl to keep that line, the line that you're seeing. Pull down the make the slab bigger. Pull a third stair, as you can see. I'm going to make these stairs 150 high, so I push that by 150, push that by 150, push that by 150, and there I have my stairs. Now I'm thinking about drawing a roof, a flat roof. I draw a plane, select it, group it, and give it some thickness, 200 thick. And there we have our roof. I'm going to pull it out by 600 all around, so that it doesn't end exactly where the wall ends. And that's what I've done. And now I want to draw the handrail. So I'm zooming in close to my stairs. And I'm going to select the circle tool and draw a small circle that is 40 millimeters radius. And then I draw a line straight up to the blue axis, then a line to the red axis, and a line to the blue axis. And then I connect those, because if you're drawing a handrail, you're coming from a lower level to an upper level. So I draw that line connect between those two. Select those two lines and select the circle with the follow me tool, and we have our handrail. I get the move tool and move a copy along the green axis. I select these two and group them so that I can move a copy again to the other entrance. And now I can start coloring my model. I grab the paint bucket, choose the handrails, and get a nice color, apply that color using the paint bucket. Then I draw the floor, the land where we're going to put the grass material. I group the plane, choose grass, and using the paint bucket I paint that grass in. Then I color my veranda gray, color my building yellow or orange. And that's the exercise for today. So I'm putting these dimensions so that you see the dimensions you should use for the exercise. Yeah. So go ahead and try this in your free time and practice these SketchUp basics because they are important. So yeah, I'm just saving the file for you. Alright, till next time. Enjoy learning SketchUp.